Can you detect spider web fluid and make it in real life? Spider silk is one of nature's strongest materials. What if you could unlock the secret fluid spiders use and recreate it yourself? Spider web fluid is not just any liquid. It's a complex protein mixture produced inside specialized silk glands in a spider's abdomen. This fluid hardens into silk threads as it's pulled out through spinnerets. Each type of silk gland produces a different kind of fiber, some sticky, some strong. This fluid's unique chemistry gives spider silk its famous strength and elasticity, far outperforming many man-made materials. To detect spider web fluid, scientists use advanced tools like electron microscopes and spectroscopy. These reveal the molecular makeup and structure of the silk proteins. By analyzing these proteins, researchers identify the exact amino acid chains and how they fold to create strong fibers. This detection is crucial to understanding how spiders spin their webs and is the first step toward recreating the fluid. Making spider silk fluid in real life is a huge challenge. While scientists can produce some spider silk proteins using bacteria or yeast, spinning them into actual silk fibers with the same strength and stickiness is tough. Natural spider silk formation involves precise protein alignment and environmental triggers that are hard to mimic. Still, progress continues, with bioengineers developing synthetic silks for medical stitches, fabrics, and more. Spider web fluid is a remarkable natural material that we're only beginning to understand and recreate. Its unique protein makeup makes spider silk stronger than steel by weight. As science advances, synthetic spider silk could revolutionize many industries. If you loved uncovering nature's secrets, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.